Hi, I'm Mark Taylor from eSaleshub, and I've been asked to produce this video because we get a lot of questions from people asking actually how big is local search and do I really need to bother about it? Because surely local search it's mainly for shops or people that have a location-based business. Well, as we've seen pretty much over the last 5 or 6 years, local search really has grown. But actually, how big is it? So what I wanted to do is just show you a few stats today, just to give an idea about actually how big local search is. So I found this really interesting fact whilst I was looking at Twitter. There's a guy called Nick Wilsden. He's one of the search product guys for Vodafone Group, very high up in their business. As you can see here, back in October, Google confirmed in a presentation that 46% of searches have local intent. That's huge. I mean, we see for most clients that local search is a big part of their search strategy, but actually 46% of searches are now local is pretty amazing statistic. Now, the other thing to bear in mind is the growth of local search, because what was interesting is in one of the earnings calls from last year, when I go to Alphabet, so from the Q2 release in 2018, which is their earnings release, which they had in September. What was really interesting is that their CEO, you can see here at the bottom of page 11 of the Q3 earnings transcript, is Sundar Pichai, CEO of Google, says, look, on the ad stuff, we've had ad formats in maps for some time, and we're constantly working to make it more useful and relevant. But I wouldn't underestimate the focus we have on local. Just to give you a sense, local mobile searches are growing faster than just mobile searches overall. They've increased by almost 50% in last year. So for us, that's an important focus area, and Maps plays a big role there. Now, as I mentioned before to you on other videos, local search isn't just about maps. It's about the ads, the maps, and also the local search that comes up. But as you can see from both these statistics, you've got 46% of search is now local. And you've even got the CEO of Google who's actually saying that it's growing as faster, or it's the fastest growing search category on mobile, and it's increased by almost 50% in the last year. So that's why you should really consider local search in any strategy you have, whether you are a local service company, a product company, or an e-commerce site, because even an e-commerce site, and I was asked this question the other day, it will make a big difference to your strategy because different clothes, sell in different areas. So in Scotland, you might want to sell coats more. In the south of the country, you might want to sell shorts a little bit more, particularly in Cornwall where the weather might be a little bit better. But, by having a localized strategy, even with your shopping and your PPC, you can do that. But obviously, local search isn't just for those companies that deliver the service locally. It's also to enable you to optimize your strategy as much as you can to target areas that respond better to your individual proposition. Anyway, hope you enjoyed the video. Any questions, please do ask.